Hey friends, Coach R here to explain our week 7 assignments. This week is a little bit different because some of you are back face to face. We are requiring everybody to watch our face to face procedures video. So you would click right here at the top of the module in the face to face procedures. There's going to be a video. And then you will also need to always follow these COVID-19 guidelines. As we come back in person, we're really hoping that everyone can stay healthy and safe. So everyone is required to click and watch this video. As we go on through the week, you're going to have a copy of your plant and animal cell diagrams. This is what you would have completed last week, but you can use this to help yourself as you make your cell models. So remember, you need to make your cell models out of things that you have in your house or your kitchen or things you find outside. We need your models to be labeled, and we need both a plant and animal cell. Remember, we have some awesome examples in here for you. These don't have labels because we want to see what you know. So you need to put in the labels whenever you make yours. We go back to our modules. This week, again, our content is still cell structures and functions. We are also just bringing in and relating to how a cell is like a city. So you're going to have this cell city analogy. So you have some real quick assignments that you can do this week to learn more about the cell structures and functions. The big part of this week is on Thursday and Friday, so October 1st and 2nd, we are going to have our curriculum assessment. This is going to be open midnight on Thursday, and it's going to close. Well, we need it due by Friday night. So you have 2 days to take your Science CA number 1. Whenever you finish your CA, please be sure to submit what you made and tell us how awesome you did. We are so proud of you and we know you're going to do great. So please do not be worried. Just try your hardest. If you click, you will be able to see some very detailed examples of how to log in and how to get going with that CA. Your teacher is going to email you your username and your password. Remember, you can only hit submit one time, so you cannot hit submit and then go back and take it. You need to be sure that you are done with all of your problems before you hit submit. So here's where you can log in, practice, make sure that your login is working. Email your teacher if it is not. They have given us some really good procedures for how to go about that. So you will be able to see exactly how to complete your CA here. So be looking in your inbox for an email from your teacher. That is going to be the end of our week. And again, that is going to be on Thursday and Friday. That's going to be your curriculum assessment check. So after you do your assessment, come right here and let us know that you have completed it. Also, like always, we have our social and emotional self-affirmations. These are awesome as we get going back in face-to-face if you're choosing face-to-face. And if you're still at home, it's awesome to get your mind some self-love. And then we have our fun brain breaks. Alrighty, guys, email your teachers if you have any questions.